Hello students, welcome back to your computer class. So dear students, last class we started your DBMS lesson, that is database management system, and we have discussed about the structure of DBMS, then the features, and also we discussed about the relational database management system, that is about giving connection between two tables and how to create a table in a different way in one database, right? So in today's class we are going to discuss about how to start your MS Access, that is Microsoft Access software, then what are the components present in that window, then how to create a blank database in MS Access. Whereas in previous softwares you learned about blank document, blank presentation, right? Whereas this is called as your blank database. So in MS Excel you call it as blank sheet, here you call it as a blank database. So let's have a demo on these three topics. So to open your MS Access in Windows 8 and Windows 10, it's very simple. You have to click on start button and type the name directly on the search box. If your computer has Windows 7 operating system, then you have to follow the steps like start button, all programs, Microsoft Office, then MS Access you have to click. So this is the common steps you learned from the previous standards. If it is, so now I'll be showing you the demo for Windows 8 and 10. So click on start button. So type Access. When I type Access, you can see that the name has come on top. So just click on that name so that your window gets open, and this is the main screen comes. Here you have to select which you wanted, whether you want blank database or if you want to create in templates, you can go for that. Whereas now we are going for blank database. So click on it. When you click on it, you will get this small, in this dialog box you have to type the file name in the beginning itself, whatever the name you want you can type, and then you have to click on create button. When you click create button, you can see that MS Access window has been appeared, and the components of this MS Access is, so this is your title bar and close, maximize, minimize, and quick access toolbar and status bar, everything is same. And even your ribbon has tabs and groups, and you can see different types of tabs in this software, that is external data, database tool, fields, table. So these are the new tabs you find in the software, and the groups are different. For home you have view, clipboard, sort and filter, records, find, text formatting, and for create tab you have different groups. For external data as well you have different groups present in this, and this is called as your object tab, where whatever the tables you create in the navigation pan, so this is your navigation pan. In this navigation pan, whatever the tables you create and give connection for each table, when you open that it comes as a tabs over here. So this is called as your object tab, and this is your working area where you do all your work in this place. So these are the names for your MS Access window. And next, how to create a database using template. So templates means it's a ready-made work given in the software. The structure will be given already. Only thing is you have to change the names inside that. Only alteration can be done, which you have done in your PowerPoint. The design, formats, colors, everything will be given already. The only the names and work what you want you can change in the templates. So in this software how can you do that? So for that again you have to open, so go for your start button, type Access and open the software, and in this you should not go for blank database. We have to take more templates, which is here, and in more templates if you scroll down If you scroll down, you can see some names like asset tracking, contacts, event manager, task manager, nutrition tracking. Then you have customer service, home inventory, then project manager. So there are many things are coming. You can choose whichever template you wanted. So I'll go for this desktop to calculate, and I'll click that, so that the name of the database I have to change, right? So I'll give some name and I'll click on create. When I click that, it will take some time to open the template which is already created, and this is what they have already created, and I should make changes in this table. And in navigation pan, you can see that many tables are there. So in each table, whatever I want, I should make changes, but the structure, design, everything will be same, working also same. The thing is, only we are changing the information inside the table. That is what your templates. Hope you are clear with this. Once you have completed your editing work, then you have to go for your file tab and click on save as button and save your document database the normal way.